Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at the problem of how to add two numbers entered by the user, and also in the end we will be solving this problem on an online platform, that is GFG. So let's get started. So as the problem statement states that we have to add two integer numbers entered by the user. So basically we have to add two integer number. So we can store an first integer in first variable and then in second variable, like say 10, and this is 20, and the sum should be 30. And for taking in any input, as we have seen in earlier videos, we need to define C in, which simply means taking standard input, and this simply means to read. So let's get start with our IDE. So as I have mentioned earlier also, from integer main, our main program execution starts. So we will be defining two integer data type, integer A and integer B. And for taking any input, we know we have to mention C in, and this write sheet operator is simply for reading input, standard input, that is by keyboard. And for displaying output, for displaying any kind of output, we use cout for displaying any output, and this simply means to write. And this simply means to write onto standard output. So let's check is our program running fine or not. So as you can see in the terminal, it is asking for two input. So I've given two inputs, 6 and 3. The sum should be 9. So yeah, it's working fine. And also what I can do, one modification. See here, I have allocated two memory blocks. That is, one is integer data type A, integer data type B. This is inside the memory happening, and the sum is stored somewhere in the memory. What we can do, we can assign another variable, and we can store the sum of A and B. This is inside, all this is happening inside the memory. So we can assign another variable. See, we are adding two integer number, and the third container which will hold the sum of A and B should also be of uh, integer data type. So the value sum of A and B stored in sum. So in place of here cout A plus B, we can directly say cout sum. So if we again run the program, so if I want to give 10 and 20, the sum should be 30. So it's working fine. So it simply means here I have assigned first variable and this is I have assigned another variable. Here is 10 20, right? And this is inside memory happening. And the third variable, that is sum, stored as 30, 10 20, is where returning the value of sum of a and b. All these are happening inside memory. So this is the problem that we have solved in our local system. But when we will be appearing for an interview or any online assessment companies, there we will not be given an we will not be solving the problem on our local ID. There we will be facing an online platform where there will be number of test cases will be there. So what do we mean by test cases? Test cases simply means number of input conditions will be given to you, and you have to pass all those input conditions, then only you will be uh, get communication for next round, like for online interview or something. So initially we have to face the online assessment. So in assessment we have to solve problem on online platform. So the same problem we will be solving on online platform, that is Geeks for Geeks. So as we have heard the name GFG, Geeks for Geeks. So here we will be solving the problem. So this is the problem statement. Addition of two numbers, given two numbers a and b. Your task is to return the sum of a and b. This is the problem statement. This is the example one. See, I was talking about test cases, right? So this is the first test case, a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and output is 3. And this is the second test case, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, output is 30. So your task, you don't need to read input or print anything. Your task is to complete the function addition, that is the this function, uh, which takes two numbers a and b and return the sum. So basically, we don't have to like in earlier videos we have been solving problem like we are always including manually like IO string using names, but we have to mention integer function like return type everything and all. But here on online platform, when we will be facing in during online assessment of for companies, you don't have to do anything. Like see, one thing I want to show, this is a driver code starts. This is the function they've mentioned explicitly. We don't have to do something from our side. We just have to implement our logic. So what our logic says, the third initially the two containers are given, right? Integer a, integer b. So we have to put the sum of first and second container into the third container, that is the variable. So variable we will be initializing by integer data type as the two variables integer a, integer b. You can see in the function parameter are of integer data type. So the sum will be sum equal to a plus b, and we have to in function we have to return something as it is mentioned that it is integer data type, unless it is void. So it is mentioned that integer addition, that is integer, we have to return something. So we can return the sum. So let's compile and run. So evaluating, this is the output window. So expected output 3, and we have got the output 3. So let's submit and check. So yeah, problem solved successfully. Test cases. See, I was talking about test cases, right? So this there are 150 test cases for this problem. Means 150 input conditions were given to you, and you have cleared all these input conditions. So in uh, real time also you will be facing like this platform, like this environment. So it's better if you start solving online platform using online platform, because it will be better for you when you will be in real life situation. So also I will be pasting the problem link on the description, you can check. And also if you like this video, please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.